Hello guys, welcome to RR Digital. This video will give you an update on the upcoming phone launches in the final quarter of 2021. If you are looking to buy a new phone in upcoming days, it's surely worth the wait. The first device in the list is Honor 50 and Honor 50 Pro. The expected launch for this device will be 22nd of November 2021 in India. Both devices come loaded with Android 11 and are powered with Snapdragon 778G chipset. They both are 5G enabled as well. Comparing the displays, Honor 50 comes with a 6.57-inch display of a pixel density of 392, while the Pro is a slight better with a 6.72-inch display with a pixel density of 439. While both the devices supports fast charging, there is a slight difference there as well. While Honor 50 supports 66-watt charger, Honor 50 Pro can support up to 100 watt of charging. While both the versions get a quad rear camera, 108 megapixel lens comprising of ultra-wide depth sensor and macro camera, but there is a slight difference when it comes to the front cameras. While both supports 32 megapixel selfie lens, but in the Pro you can see a second 12 megapixel wide-angle selfie camera. A good news for the Honor fans will be Honor has confirmed that it will be able to include Google mobile services on the international version of the phone. Second device in our list is Google Pixel 6. Google Pixel 6 and Google Pixel 6 Pro are available to pre-order and are set to be launched on 28th of October 2021 in India. These have new design with unique camera module and Tensor chipset, rumored to be slower than Apple's A12 Bionic chip, which is 3 years old now. Google phone will be coming with latest Android, that is Android 12, and are 5G enabled. Talking about the displays, there will be a slight difference, that is Google Pixel 6 will be coming with 6.4-inch display with a pixel density of 411, while the Pro model will come with 6.71-inch display with a 513 pixel density. It also is IP68 certified dust water resistant, up to 1.5 meter for 30 minutes. Although both the screens are AMOLED displays and support HDR10 Plus video format, but there is a slight difference between the 6 model and Pro model. That is, Pixel 6 will only support 90 Hz refresh rate, but for the Pro you can see 120 Hz refresh rate. Both support 50 megapixel rear primary camera and the camera module will be same in the both devices. Talking about the batteries, there's a slight difference there as well. Pixel 6 supports 4614 mAh battery, while for the Pro you will get 5003 mAh battery. Talking about the memories, we'll get 8 GB of RAM in Pixel 6, while 12 GB of RAM in Pixel 6 Pro. While there will be an additional option for Pro model with 512 gigs of storage. Talking about the third phone in the list, that will be Asus ROG Phone 5s and Asus ROG Phone 5s Pro. The expected launch date for this phone will be November 10, 2021. Although there is hardly any difference between the two phones, both the devices comes with 18 GB of RAM, that is DDR5, and supports 512 gigs of storage. They have 6.8-inch Samsung AMOLED display and packs an update to the Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset, the latest and the greatest on the market right now. Talking about the phone storage, it will be two variants, 128 GB or 256 GB in both Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. It also supports Sony's flagship IMX686 camera, that is 64 megapixel rear primary camera and 24 megapixel front selfie. Talking about the camera features, the rear camera supports video recording of 8K Ultra HD format, frame rate of 30 per second. It also supports 480 frames per second video recording at 720 pixels. The device supports two 5G enabled nano SIMs. And talking about the battery, it is 6000 mAh battery that should last your phone a whole day. The device also supports 65 watt fast charging. I hope you like this video. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.